If you're using Chime, knowing your account limits can save you time and avoid surprises. Here's a quick guide on Chime's main limits and some handy hacks to make the most of your account. Starting with deposit limits, Chime allows up to $10,000 per day for direct deposits, which covers most users' paychecks. If you try to deposit more, it might get delayed or flagged. For mobile check deposits, Chime currently limits these to $5,000 per day. Keep that in mind. If you frequently deposit checks through the app, when it comes to transfers and payments, sending money via Pay Friends in the Chime app has a daily limit of $2,000 and a monthly limit of $10,000. So if you need to send large amounts, plan accordingly or split it over days. ATM withdrawals have a limit of $500 per day. But here's the trick. If you have a Chime SpotMe account, you can overdraft up to $200 on debit card purchases without fees, giving you some extra flexibility. One hack for avoiding transfer limits is to use Chime's external bank transfers. You can link another bank account and move money back and forth to bypass some of the peer-to-peer limits, but be mindful of the receiving bank's rules too. Also, to maximize your SpotMe overdraft, make sure you have at least $500 in monthly direct deposits, which increases your SpotMe limit over time. If you hit a limit, you usually get notified right in the app, so it's easy to keep track and avoid declined transactions. Remember, these limits are in place to protect you and keep your account secure. So working within them helps keep your money safe. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment with your favorite Chime tips or questions.